Hi, WAVA students. This is Miss Chamberlain, and I wanted to share with you about some news that we have coming up and some activities and ways that you can get involved around school and out in your community. Right now, all month, we have our season of giving, and our HOSA group is hosting a food drive. We encourage all students and families to take non-perishable items to your local community drop-off food banks and shelters, snap a photo of your donation, and post it to our WAVA Padlet. This is a great way to give back to our communities all across Washington State. And our goal is to reach more than 75 different donations across Washington. And we hope that you will help us. Let's continue to give back to the areas that we live. We also have our robotics competition that is starting. Students can register through November 12th, and then teams will be formed, and students can begin to compete in the 3 rounds throughout the year leading up to our nationals in late spring. If you are not registered for our robotics yet and you have some questions, you're welcome to reach out or just register. You can be a new student to robotics, and we have trainers to help you. Our WAVA clubs are getting started, and you will see a registration link that went out in email, and it's also on our WAVA bulletin board. Students need to register for clubs by November 10th in order to participate for first semester, and then we'll open up another registration in second semester. And don't forget about this month, we have our Veterans Day video share. You still have time, you can add to that. And if it's past that time, then you can view the video that we'll be sharing all month long. Congrats to our esports team that is going into week 4 and continuing on with Coach Foster. Great job to all of our students that are new and returning, and we are so proud of you. Let's stay busy and active. Check out those competitions that are on our K-12 enrichment site and have a wonderful month.